Hi learners, this is Miss Faith. I'm going to be doing a shortened version of our morning meeting for you just so that you have some calendar practice and can listen to some familiar songs. I hope this helps. Okay, we're going to start. So before we begin, step 1, voices off. Step 2, if you can, turn off the lights for meditation. We're going to start with a mindful minute.
My dream is to help people understand how the universe operates.
Great job, learners. Okay, yesterday was Monday, March 16th. Today is Tuesday, March 17th. Can you find and point to Tuesday, March 17th? If you found it, if your finger is here, you are right. If today is Tuesday, March 17th, what is tomorrow? If you said Wednesday, March 18th, you would be correct. Okay, we're going to check out the weather together for today, Tuesday, March 17th, and for the rest of the week.
Nerds! Want a better credit card? We've got you. The experts at NerdWallet compare hundreds of credit cards so you can...
Hello, everyone. Want to give you a quick weather update here in the middle of the day. First off, happy St. Patrick's Day. Everyone remember 2012 when it was 80 degrees? That's the earliest 80 we've ever had on record here in the Twin Cities. That was a wonderful year. Today it is sunny, but not quite as warm as that. 34 degrees right now, and we're heading up to the 40s overall, a seasonal day, right around average. A little bit on the breezy side, so it does feel like 25 degrees at the moment. Temperatures stay statewide. We're looking at above freezing for the most part south of 94, and north of 94 temperatures are slightly cooler with 20s making up the bulk of the numbers. Everything is nice and bright and sunny. High pressure is very much in control for us today. Throughout the rest of the day, we keep sunshine until the evening when we start to see a few high clouds streaming in, and they'll really start to thicken up into the late evening and overnight hours, and that is the beginning of an active few days in the weather department. When it comes to what we can expect statewide today, again, a lot of 40s for the southern half of the state and above freezing, mid to upper 30s for the northern half of the state today. The 7-day forecast shows the beginning of spring, and on Thursday, rain changing over to snow. So a very spring-like system with a mix of precipitation here as we officially begin the new season. What that looks like in terms of the precip we can expect: 8 a.m. on Wednesday, and we're seeing rain showers in the southern half of the state and down into the center portion of the country. Meanwhile, northern Minnesota has more of a snow, and right in the middle, the pink you see there, well, that's the mixing of the precip. Rain continues through much of Wednesday. We get a little bit of a lull at times Wednesday overnight, but into Thursday, this is when the bulk of the moisture starts to make its way in. Thursday throughout the day, quite a bit of rain. By the time we get into Thursday evening, we will see that shift from rain to snow start to push across the state. You see how tightly packed these isobars are? That is also giving us the indication that we will look for some very strong winds as this snow is moving through. By Friday morning, most of the accumulating snow is done, just the tail end of it here, east and southeast of the Twin Cities, and we'll watch for high pressure and sunshine then to move in by Friday afternoon. How much snow are we talking? Well, right now, early estimates suggest right around 3 inches or so, give or take a little bit, depending on where you're watching from. We will continue to see how this one shapes up. The weekend ahead, well, it's nice and bright, but a little on the cooler side. Saturday, 33, more seasonal on Sunday at 42 degrees. So stay tuned to the forecast here in the coming days.
Okay, now we've watched the weather forecast. What do we do next? If you pick the weather song, you're correct.
Check out the weather, what's it like outside? Check out the ground, check out the sky. What word would you use to describe what you see? What is the temperature, how many degrees? Is it sunny when you look outside? S-U-N-N-Y. Is it cloudy when you look outside? C-L-O-U-D-Y. Is it rainy when you look outside? R-A-I-N-Y. Check out the weather, what's it like outside? Check out the ground, check out the sky. What word would you use to describe what you see? What is the temperature, how many degrees? Is it windy when you look outside? W-I-N-D-Y. Is it foggy when you look outside? F-O-G-G-Y. Is it snowy when you look outside? S-N-O-W-Y. Check out the weather, what's it like outside? Check out the ground, check out the sky. What word would you use to describe what you see? What is the temperature, how many degrees? And while we're at it, let's look up with our eyes, cause anything that falls down from the sky is precipitation. What a weather sensation. It usually starts with a cloud formation. Gas turns to liquid during condensation. Well, that's the scientific explanation. But rain is what you see fall down, and there's other types too coming down in your town, like sleet, hail, or even snow. Precipitation, you should know. Anything and everything that comes from the sky, get your umbrella or stay inside. Check out the weather, what's it like outside? Check out the ground, check out the sky. What word would you use to describe what you see? What is the temperature? How many degrees?
All right, what is the weather for today? I encourage all of you to do daily Duolingo in Spanish. We're going to play one Spanish video. We're going to do the count to 10 in Spanish. Tomorrow we'll do the alphabet.
Oh yeah, ¿quieren aprender los números con nosotros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey, vemos muchos números a derecho y al revés. Contemos muchos números, todos a la vez. Podemos aprender, canta tú también. ¿Listos? Contemos, lo haremos muy bien. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Nice. Okay, and our final video for today is our digraphs.
Digraphs. Give me S. Give me H. They say shh. Shop, shine, shoot, push. Give me C. Give me H. They say ch. 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 Chop, change, chew, lunch. Give me T. Give me H. They say throw, think, thumb, tooth. Give me W. Give me H. They say what? 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 Whale, whistle, white, whisper. Give me P. Give me H. They say phone, photo, phonics, elephant. Give me W. Give me R. They say ruh. 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 Rap, wrong, right, wrestle. Give me C. Give me K. They say k. Back, clock, snack, click.
And that's it for today, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Or I'll talk at you tomorrow.